Nowadays, you might be getting emails from GST saying that you need to reverse your ITC. What is that? It is not a demand or notice. It is just an alert under Rule 37A. So what does this Rule 37A states? This states that if your supplier has filed their GSTR 1 but not filed their GSTR 3B, means they have not paid ultimately tax to the government, then you need to reverse that ITC in your GSTR 3B. Now, what is the solution for this? The supplier has to pay that tax in their GSTR 3B by 30th September of the next financial year. This is the limit given to them. And if not, then you have to reverse that ITC by 30th November. Why these alerts are being given to you then from now onwards? This is just a compliance check given by the government to let you know that your supplier is compliant or not. Otherwise, ultimately tax liability will be borne by you and you need to reverse that ITC in any case. So keep a check on your suppliers so that ultimately penalties does not come to you. Here comes the TaxTown, who gives you monthly checklist and monthly GST health checkups, which will never let you get interest or penalty liabilities.